Hey, I'm Yash, and this is Prava X, a privacy-first cross-chain intent product built on Polkadot Hub. The problem is that the most intent system leak order flow before execution. So Prava X hide trade parameters until fill. What makes this possible is due to Polkadot Hub unique setup. So Solidity can directly call the Rust to Polka VM contract on the same chain. So let me go through the high level architecture for this. So here we have a user which just signs intent with EIP 7.1 and submits the intent to a Solidity intent reactor contract, which verifies the commitment and matches um, with the fill. And it also for the solver needs to stake some of their token to the escrow vault contract. And then the main core feature is the Rust PVM contract, which uses ZK to hide all the information for the fill using the kcheck 256 verification. And then the main part is the solver vault, which is a off-chain code to fill the orders and monitor every intent. So let's go through the demo. This is just a landing page. I'm connected with my solver wallet. I will show the private intent flow because there's a code differentiator. So I will place a order for 50 USDC with the uh, 20 dot. Don't forget to enable the private intent features for the ZK and the verification thing. And I will sign it. First, I will sign the private intent part, and then I will submit private intent on chain. At this point, the chain only sees the commitment hash and the deadline, and then the actual trade parameters. Yeah, with the commitment hash. So if you can see on this, there is a intent has been submitted in the terminal, and also the transaction passes. So now I will switch with to my solver wallet and solver's execution side of system. So let me connect my wallet. So yeah, yeah, I am now connected with my solver wallet. So if I just go to the dashboard for this solver, so my solver is already stake one pass token and which is ready. Now I will fill the intent, the important part under the hood. You can see no information is being leaked here. The Solidity contract will call the Rust privacy engine, which computes the commitment from the parameters and verifies and matches with the original on-chain commitment. So if it does not reveal the transaction will be reverted. So you can see the transaction has been passed, intent has been created. You can also see on chain the for it is being revealed for 50 USDC to 20 dot. You can also see here on chain on the block explorer that I have swiped 50 USDC for 20 dot. So yeah, you can see a private intent filled and cross VM verified here. So the product benefit is the privacy first execution, and the protocol innovation underneath is Solidity to Rust VM. So Prava X combines private intent, commitment based privacy, solving staking, cross VM verification into a one flow on Polkadot Hub. That's Prava X. Thank you guys.